In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now click on keyboard and input method. Then select Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Following that, just tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!